Number 0 rebound. Pop of the leg. Crossover ball. Pass number 42. Casa shoot long two. In and out. Magiging ball. Mr. Nobino. Nasa kayo. 10 seconds to shoot. Kobe Mendez. Finish on the line. 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1.
Mendez!
Ilang banda naman buta na kanina ang bola. Pumigil. Binuhat ang bantay. Still, what a nice steal. What a nice 2 points. Score 25 against 23. Balik sa dalawang mga na team plus remain. Naman na naman tayo. Team Soto pass on pawn. Supporting it down.
Wala ko nasakyan. Naglakan lang kasi ako, kaya madalapit lang.
Number 0, what a nice goal. Defense from number 69. And 40 seconds to shoot. What a nice goal. Aray na, dalawa sila. Yes, pass back to number 39, Escalante. That's the behind the pass and shot. Nothing but net. Score 27 against 23. Angat sa apat. What a nice back-to-back 2 points. Team Los Ringin. Pinapadala ng mga Team Soto. Mendez may tama na bola. City na play. Pat short. Kaya lang, hindi na sa lalang mabuti. Nagtipisan.
Tira!
First team foul. Escalante setting the play. Basket Toronto, same spot. Not same result. Kobe Mendez on the way. Basket, what a nice pass coming from Kobe Mendez to number Jeremiah Brenta. 25 against 27. Babasa dalawang kalabangan Team Los Ringin. Yernes Kacanchon! Esqualado, ating bandahan, Angel Yernes. It's a drawing violation. Turn over, Labas! Reverse layup, kaya ng short. Rebound by Kobe Mendez. Alam na this. Kobe Mendez. Irving and Irving. Pasa kaya Brad. Yes, it is good. Grabe na itong tandem ng dalawang to. Ayan na. Trapas. Escalante passing on the mid-court line. One-on-one with Mr. Kobe. What a nice cross on Ramos. Nakawala si Escalante. Stop and pop kaya ng short. 3 para sa mga 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Tejano. Aray ko. Butakol. Aray ko. Ayan na. Kasaan shot on Kobe Mendez. Kaya lang short. Huwag na nakasama. Right now. This is about the free throw line. First attempt. Basket is good. 28 against 30. Singapore Jumpers ready. 2 for 2.
Lama isa.
Magandang isip.
Isa na lang. 30-29.
Isa na lang ang kalamangan dito.
Isa.
Viernes sa bilang banda.
Hindi, isa to.
Dalawa.
Lamang nila isa. Isa lang lamang nila.
Foul number 9, that is your versus no foul, first team foul. Pumasok ba yung first attempt? Wala. Second through, number 3. Nothing but that. 1 out of 2 on the line. Score 31 against 30. Yes, Salman nagmamadali. Pass to Bigger Scott. Sanchos Yosek na last. Basket is good. By Bigger Scott. Binabalaya. Brenda Isao. What a nice laser. 32 against 33. Balik sa isa. Escalante naman sa ilang banda. Nolok pa sa kasama. Nabitawan. Turnover tayo doon.
Oh, isi mo lang ha. Isi mo lang ha.
Relax na, relax.
Alright.
Basta bumibigay sa pumusti, dalawang nakabantay, kinasa, kaya lang short kuya.
Hoy, ba't kinuha?
Ayan na, 2 for 2. Ginili pa! Basket is good. By number 35. Angat sa tatlong naman, tulong pass to Alpo! What a nice pass! What a nice raise! Angel Anton. Bilang banda Alonso, pero buta ba? Nakuha na kasama, short yung put back. Escalante nag-isa sa press, blocks from behind. Grabe naman yun. What a nice hustle defense na turnover ulit. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Number 35, long two, hindi pa rin. Punta ka nasama, number 25. Nasir is good. Grinaso.
Let's go!
Number 25. Ang foot na pumibig test. Showing his greatest skills. One-on-one with Master Tirano. Crossover. Zigzagging. What a nice 10 move. What a nice pass. Pass sa kanya nila. 40 seconds to shoot. Kaya trend. Freeze. Stop and back. Rebound. Kuha ng team of women. Nalisa si Fura sa kabila. Basket is good. 30 naman against 34. At sa lima. We'll take you one timeout remaining for our first half. One timeout. And from drive. Okay.
Baba kayo!
Bumibigyan sa mga Mr. Quijano. Umuti again. Dalawa. Double team. Almost lost the ball. Number 0. Nag-iisa na naman si number 25 doon. A score 40 against 34. So he has 30 seconds for a second quarter. Holding is the first. Rebound. Designing that by Kobe Benitez. Pass to the upper. Rebound against Escalante. Long pass to Guerrero. That one play. Yeah, the guy from Crescentes on number 25. Basket is good.
Huh?
Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds.
43, tete po. Siyam.
Angat sa Siyam.
Kabila, oh! Pito.
Lamang na lang ng pito. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Mr. Escalante pass to Mr. 25. The through. Stand down. 3 points. Number 25. Som 46 against 36. Double digit na po kalabangan dito. Sampo.
Hindi marunong magbasa eh.
Seconds remaining. 38 against 50 is our official score. 15 seconds remaining. Escalante, pass sa gilid. 10 seconds remaining. Mr. Cole.
Balik, balik, balik!